Ever needed your debit card number but didn't have the physical card on hand? Let's get straight to how you can find it within your Union Bank account. First, unlock your smartphone and locate the Union Bank mobile app icon. Tap on it to open the app. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields. Make sure you're typing correctly to avoid login errors. Once logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Look for an option that says Services or My Accounts. Tap on Services or My Accounts. Then, within the Services menu, find and select the Manage Cards option. Here, you'll see a list of your linked debit cards. Select the specific debit card you want to view the number for. You'll now see the details of your chosen card, but the full debit card number will likely be masked for security. Look for a button or option that says something like Show Card Number, Reveal Details, or an eye icon. Tap on it. After tapping the button, you will be prompted with either a security question that only you can answer, or your registered mobile number with Union Bank will receive an OTP which you need to input to verify that you are the real card holder. After you have answered the question or inputted the OTP, your full debit card number will then be displayed. Remember to note it down or memorize it, and then always keep your card details private and secure.